Sanbonan, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are enjoying your weekend. And guys, Umpumelelo went and paid ilobola for uAmahle Viyela. Hayi siyabona ke kuhle kumnandi nje yonke into ihamba ebo, but one thing for sure, abantu bakwaBiyela, they do not joke when it comes to their daughters. They are charging amandwende for 7,000 rand just because they came back late. So abadlali ke abantu bakwaBiyela Nkosi yami, they are charging amandwende 7,000 rand for coming late and pointing out a wrong girl. They pointed bathu banu Nandipha over uAmahle, and then they had to correct them ukubana no, the one that you guys are pointing, it's not actually the girl that you are here for. The one that you're here for igama like uAmahle. Woo, I'm choking, guys, I am choking. So they charge them 7,000 rand, and abantu bakwaMseleko, they're like, ooh, that is way too much, like it's way too high. We're thinking ukubana maybe you guys you charge us maybe 200 rand, and they're like, we can go down to 5,000 rand, definitely not 200 rand. And bayasho ke ubana it's disrespecting amadoda womunye umzi when you get there at 1 p.m. supposedly you were supposed to be there at like 5-6 a.m. so which means we had spent our time doing absolutely nothing while still waiting for you guys. So I guess every hour that passed by, it was charged 1,000 rand. Hey guys, but at the end all it went well. But nje kwasuka kwaba yingxaka xa sekuthiwa khona kufunakala inkomo kamama that says ukubana uAmahle was a virgin, and Umpumelelo denied that, saying bana no, I did not find her as a virgin. So hey, kuningi guys, in kuningi, but at the end it was beautiful. She looked beautiful, everyone was happy. So nje hayi, we can see her nje the way she tied it ukubana hayi ngizozibamba ziqine kanje, ziyoqina njengefindo le sigaqa sami. So guys, there it is, there you have it. Being lobola, we heard also they were discussing about 6 cows that are going to be in livestock and 4 cows that will be bought in cash. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.